game. Here's the game. If we don't do those 3 things, if we miss at least one of those 3 things, we will sit right here. This is the getaway car. The getaway car with your kids. Okay, right here. Okay, so here we go. Open here first. Over here. Ready? Turn around. Ready? You're looking at toys. Look at toys. At a store. Look at toys. Okay, here we go. Now what? Now what? Now what? Oh. Oh. Keep screaming. Say, Kia! Oh. All right.
Woo!
Right there, come on. Ready?
No, you're getting on this side.
William, go. Ready, William? Coming. Look that way.
Good job, Emmanuel.